Hi everyone, welcome to today's quiz on the Union Budget with emphasis on Budget 2019-20. This is a much requested video as per your comments on our budget video from yesterday. In case you want a refresher, the link to the main video is in the description below. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and let us begin. Under what condition can an interim budget be presented? Correct answer is when there is an outgoing government. So among the given options, this is the most appropriate answer. The interim budget is also known as what? Among the given options, option A or vote on account is a correct answer. The budget for the year approved by Parliament gives the government spending rights only till the end of financial year ending March 31st. If for any reason the government is not able to present a full budget before the financial year ends, it will need parliamentary authority for incurring expenditure in the new fiscal year until a full budget is presented. Through the interim budget, Parliament passes a vote on account that allows the government to meet the expenses of the administration till a full budget is presented. Through the interim budget, Parliament passes this account, and until the new Parliament considers and passes the budget for the whole year, this is valid. In an election situation, the vote on account is usually for a 4-month period. Which article of the Indian Constitution is used to lay down the budget? Correct answer is Article 112. According to Article 112 of the Indian Constitution, the Union Budget of a year, also referred to as the Annual Financial Statement, is a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the government for that particular year. With respect to 10-point vision for the decade as laid down in the Budget 2019-20, which program has been newly introduced? Swachh Bharat, Ujjwala Yojana and Kisan Credit Card are all pre-existing versions, and the newly introduced and emphasized one is Khelo India. Budget 2019-20 has made special provisions for which of the following? Correct answer is all of the above. So the vision for the decade was introduced and it includes 1. Building physical and social infrastructure. 2. Digital India reaching every sector of the economy. 3. Pollution-free India with green Mother Earth and blue skies. 4. Make in India with particular emphasis on MSMEs, startups, defense manufacturing, automobiles, electronics, fabs and batteries, and medical devices. 5. Water management and clean rivers. 6. Blue economy. 7. Space programs like Gaganyaan, Chandrayaan and satellite programs. 8. Self-sufficiency and export of food grains, pulses, oilseeds, fruits and vegetables. 9. Healthy society with the help of Ayushman Bharat, well-nourished women and children and safety of citizens. And finally, number 10. Team India with Jan Bhagidari, minimum government, maximum governance. What is the target fiscal deficit in terms of percentage of GDP for 2019-20? The target is 3.4%. So what is fiscal deficit? This is the difference between total revenue and total expenditure of the government, and it is an indication of total borrowings needed by the government while calculating the total revenue. Borrowings are not included. What is the biggest item of government expenditure in budget 2019-20? Correct answer is option D, share of states in taxes and fees. So in 2019-20, the biggest expenditure of the government is share of states in taxes and fees. The central government has to spend 23% of its total expenditure in the form of taxes and fees due to the state governments. What is the biggest item of income of the central government in 2019-20 budget? The correct answer is both GST and corporation tax. The biggest items of government's revenue receipts are the GST and corporation tax, and government receives about 21% income from each of these taxes. So 21 plus 21 is total 42% of our government's income is from these two taxes. The rate which the income tax is imposed in India is called what rate? It's called digressive rate. So in India, income tax is imposed at digressive rate. Under this, the rate of tax increases as the income increases initially, while after a certain level of income, it becomes proportionate. In India, the rate of tax on income up to rupees 10 lakh increases, while tax rates become proportionate after that. However, the government imposes a surcharge on those earning more than rupees 50 lakhs. As per Budget 2019-20, pension schemes are to be implemented to include who? Among the given options, option B is correct, that is shopkeepers, retailers with turnover less than rupees 1.5 crore. Traders and small shopkeepers with an annual turnover of less than 1.5 crore can now get themselves enrolled with an affordable pension scheme that promises to pay 3,000 a month after attaining the age of 60. That's all for this video. If you want to read about Union Budget 2019-20 in more details, simply follow our link in the description below. And if you liked our efforts, please do like, share and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.